Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you've been following me, you know I have quite a few Facebook pages. I have my personal one, I have the one for Color Relation Cosmetics, but I also have another one that's very near and dear to my heart called Black Beauty Entrepreneurs, and it is to serve, or my intention for it was to serve as a kind of a directory. I know so many people are interested in black-owned business, so I've listed what I believe are some really fantastic black business owners who have wonderful products to sell. And one of them I have on my site is a company called StayGolden.com. They have a wonderful selection of lip colors, and their glitter lip kits are probably the star of the show, and prices are really good. And I know they have sales throughout the year, so you might want to get on their mailing list. But in any event, I have been wanting to try their glitter lip kits for quite some time. It finally came, and I had ordered 2 of their shades, and it's so hard to choose. I purchased during their Black Friday sale, and again, the color selection was so gorgeous. It's just so hard to choose. So I did choose Burlesque, which is their red. And my absolute favorite, the one I think I might try tonight, is Galactica. Look at that gorgeous black with multi. Right now, let's just go over what is in each kit. And in each kit, you'll get the adhesive, the glitter lip kit adhesive. And a really nice ample-sized jar of the glitter. And a nice applicator with the brush end and with the sponge end. And thankfully the directions are written on the back of each box. So you're supposed to start with clean, dry lips and do 1 lip at a time, which is what I had planned to do anyway. So you are supposed to dampen the sponge applicator and apply, and we'll just do a few little spaces at a time. So far, that adhesive is a strong one. So, final thoughts. It was worth the wait for me. you know, I'm seeing so many advertisements now for glitter lipsticks coming out, glitter glosses, and I bought a few of them myself, but when I think about a glitter lip color, this is the way I want it to look. And the pigmentation on this is just gorgeous. Love this color. And another time I'm going to have to do something with the burlesque and the peachy, because I'd love to share those looks too. Now the application process, you know, we all do interesting things for beauty. It takes a little time. It's a process. There were times when I was getting it, I felt like I was really getting it on nice and even, but there are times when it got a little patchy, but it's buildable. So if there's a spot that just didn't quite get on right, no worries. You can really go over that and it looks just fine. Again, I love this. I think for a special occasion lip, and especially now for the holidays coming up, this is just perfect. Now I will admit, I will probably be sipping through a straw tonight. And yeah, I am going out, so I get to really test this lip, so it's going to be really fun. But I'll be sipping through a straw and eating carefully. Although I think this is really going to last, and this is going to be the... Because when I bought this, what really stood out to me was it described itself as party-proof, kiss-proof, and swim-proof. So I said, wow, not bad at all. It's on, guys. I mean, it is on. Really encourage you to go to Stay Golden Cosmetics and shop and take advantage of their sales. Get on their mailing list. And you can definitely reach them through the link I'm going to put below. And also, if you get a chance, go to my Facebook page, Black Beauty Entrepreneurs. I'll also put the link to that. So you can really take advantage of some Black-owned businesses you've probably never heard before and see some of their fantastic things. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel and take some time out to leave a comment. I would love that. And share this video because we really want to get the word out on these amazing businesses that many people have probably never heard of, but they sell amazing things. Guys, take care. Thanks so much for joining me. Stay blessed.